Okay, so tomorrow there's going to be a huge event. We are making an episode. It's kind of like we're going to smush a bunch of little random clips, of course, into just like a collage or a big video. Just for you guys. Not our usual 1 or 2 minute videos. We're going to try and make this at least 5 minutes. 3-minute improvement. So be prepared for this awesome thing we're going to put up tomorrow. Well, maybe even the next day we'll put it up because it's going to be so long. It's going to be hard to make, but we hope you guys like it because we're sure going to have fun making it. We love all of our fans and even our haters. We love you too. Make us famous. And be sure to tell all your friends about our videos. And if you need to contact us, if on YouTube we don't reply in 1 to 2 days, you can email us at our username, I don't want to say the whole thing, at gmail.com. And just contact us and we'll get to that as soon as we can. Thank you. Leave comments below and subscribe. We love you guys.